Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD new tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to convert this orthographic drawing into the 3D model. So for this we will activate the part design workbench, which is activated here, and now we will create a new file, and here we will create a body, and I will on my plane, and from here I will switch to the orthographic, then isometric. So if we see our part, so first we will make this boss, which is the length of 10 mm by 10 mm. So for this we will select this XY top plane, and we will create a sketch, and I will go to the tree view and of this origin plane. Now I will select the rectangle, and I will draw the rectangle, and from here I will select the symmetricity, and I will select these 2 points and center points, and now give the dimensions 10 by 10. So as you can see that the sketch is fully green, this means it is fully constrained. Now I will come out of the sketch, and from here we can see that height is 3 mm. So I will click on the pad and give here height 3 mm, and I will say OK. And now on this face we will create a sketch and make a circle of dia 4. So I will select the circle, and I will select it, and I will give the diameter 4, and height we can see it is a 6 mm. So I will come out of the sketch, and I will give the pad height 6 mm, and I will say OK. Now we can see that there is a cut of dia 2 for the depth of 6 mm. So I will again select the circle, face of the circle, and create the sketch, and on the top I will draw a circle, and I will give it a diameter of 2 mm, and I will close it, and here I will select the cut, and cut depth would be 6 mm, and I will say OK. So overall shape of our part is made, and now we will give these 4 holes. So for this, so as we can see that it is 4 holes of dia 2. So I will select this face, and I will say sketch, and I will it is a blind hole, so we can make it through the cut feature. So I will select the 2 circle here and 2 here, and now we will see the position is a 2 mm horizontal and 2 mm vertical. So for this I will click on the convert entities, and I will convert these 2 edges, and then I will select the horizontal dimension, and I will select this 2, and I will give the 2 mm. I will select this one vertical dimension, and I will give the 2 mm, and now I will select the circle and give the diameter, which is the 2, and now we will constrain the other circles. So select this center points and this center points, give the horizontal constraint, select this center point and this one, give vertical constraint, so we can see that vertical position is 2 mm. So 2 and 2 4, so this distance would be the 6 mm, so I will give here the 6 mm. And now this circle and this circle are equal, so I will give here the equal constraint. Similarly, I will select all three circle and give the equal constraint. And now I will select this one and this one, give horizontal. So here is a conflict, so I will delete it. This one and this one should be the vertical. Sorry. Okay, so some constraint is conflicting. So let's identify. So I will select the circle and I will move it, so it is already horizontal, that's why we are facing the problem. Now all I need to give the dimension between center to center, which is a 6 mm, and so it is a fully unconstrained, so I will select this one and this one, give vertical. Same way I select this and this and give horizontal. Now I will switch to the isometric, and we can see that all the 4 holes has been fully constrained. So I will come out of the sketch and I will go for the cut, and from here I will select through all and I will say OK. Now the things are remaining is that we have to give R2 fillet at 4 corners. So I will select all these 4 edges and I will select for the fillet, and fillet I will give the 2 mm, and I will switch to the isometric and I will say OK. And from here we will give the fillet. So if we see in the section view, fillet is not given, so we will take some approximate value for the fillet. So here it is 1 mm. Say OK. So this is how we have successfully converted this orthographic drawing into the 3D models. Now I can give some color to my part, or I can assign the material. For example, I can assign the chrome. I will say OK. So this is all about these sessions, and this session was for a very beginner user who just started learning the FreeCAD, and you can find the source model and 2D drawings in the video description. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time. And if you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.